Need to order a part for your appliance? Here's the foolproof method to find exactly the right one. Step 1. Find your model number. Not the serial number, the model number. It's on a label inside or behind the appliance. Check the inside of the door frame, inside the fridge on the left wall, under the washer lid, or behind the dryer lint filter. Step 2. Write it down exactly as it appears. Include every letter, number, and dash. Even one digit off gives you the wrong part. Take a photo with your phone. Step 3. Use a parts lookup tool. Go to repairclinic.com or partselect.com. Enter your exact model number. The site shows a diagram of your appliance with every single part listed and numbered. Step 4. Identify the part you need. Browse the diagram or search by part name. Click on it to see the part number, price, and whether it's in stock. Step 5. Cross-reference the part number. Take the manufacturer's part number and search it to make sure it matches your appliance. Some parts look similar but have different specs for different models. Common mistake: buying by description instead of part number. Searching Samsung dryer heating element gives you dozens of results for different models. Only one fits yours. Always use the part number. If you're not sure which part you need, call us. We diagnose the problem and supply the right OEM part. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.